getting your driver's license is a huge milestone. It's not just about driving, it's about freedom. It's about taking control and going where you want, when you want. And if you're here in Ontario, you know the system can seem a little confusing. G1, G2, full G, it's like a whole other language. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we're breaking down the entire process, step by step, so you can navigate the Ontario licensing system like a pro. We're talking insider tips, common mistakes to avoid, and everything you need to ace those tests and get behind the wheel. Whether you're a brand new driver or just new to Ontario, this is your one-stop shop for everything you need to know. So buckle up, because we're about to break this down and make sure you're fully prepared to hit the open road. Alright, so you're ready to get behind the wheel? The first step on your journey to driving freedom is the G1 license. Now this isn't a full license, but think of it as your learner's permit, your ticket to start practicing and getting comfortable on the road. First things first, you've got to pass a written test. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. This test covers all the essential rules of the road and those traffic signs we often forget about. You know, the ones we see every day but can't always remember what they mean? Yeah, those ones. The test is designed to make sure you understand the basics of driving safely and responsibly. To prepare, you can grab a copy of the official Ministry of Transportation Driver's Handbook. It's got all the information you need to ace the test. Study it like your driving future depends on it, because, honestly, it kinda does. Now, before you even think about walking into that test center, make sure you meet the age requirement. Here in Ontario, you need to be at least 16 years old to get behind the wheel, and don't even think about showing up without valid identification. We're talking about a government-issued photo ID like your passport or birth certificate. Once you've aced the test and have your G1 license in hand, you're ready to start practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more time you spend behind the wheel, with a licensed, certified driving instructor to ensure you're learning the best techniques. Alright, so you've been cruising around with your G1 license for a while now, getting comfortable behind the wheel, and you're ready for the next level. It's time to talk about the G2 license, your ticket to more independence on the road. Here's the deal. After holding your G1 license for at least 12 months, you can take the G2 road test. This test is all about putting your driving skills to the test, literally. You'll be evaluated on your ability to handle the car, follow traffic laws, and navigate different road situations. Now, if you're all about efficiency, and let's be real, who isn't? Listen up. Completing an approved driver education course can actually shorten that 12-month waiting period to just 8 months. That's right, you can fast-track your way to the G2 test and get on the road sooner. But here's the thing, passing the G2 test isn't just about memorizing the rules, it's about understanding how to apply them in real-world situations. That's why practice is key. The more you practice with a licensed driver, the more comfortable and confident you'll become behind the wheel. Do practice with a certified driving instructor. Think of it like this. Every time you practice, you're investing in your driving future. You're sharpening your reflexes, improving your decision-making skills, and becoming a safer, more responsible driver. And that's something worth investing in. Chapter 3. Full G License, your ultimate driving freedom. Okay, you've conquered the G1 and G2, put in the practice, and now you're ready for the ultimate prize, the full G license. This, my friends, is the real deal. Your ticket to unrestricted driving freedom here in Ontario. Now, before you get ahead of yourself, there's one final hurdle, the G road test. This test is designed to evaluate your ability to drive safely and confidently in a variety of conditions, including highways and higher speed zones. To even qualify for this test, you need to have held your G2 license for at least 12 months. That's right, patience is a virtue, my friends. But trust me, that year of driving experience will make all the difference when it comes time for the test. The G-Road test is more challenging than the G2, but don't let that intimidate you. It's all about showcasing the skills and knowledge you've gained over the past few years. You'll be tested on your ability to merge onto highways, navigate complex intersections, and handle unexpected situations on the road. Here's a pro tip. Consider taking a few refresher lessons with a certified driving instructor before the test. They can help fine-tune your skills, point out any bad habits you might have picked up, and give you that extra boost of confidence you need to ace the test. Remember, getting your full G license is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of practice. But once you have it in your hands, you'll realize it was all worth it. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to getting your G1, G2 and G driver's license in Ontario. Remember, the journey to getting your license is all about learning, practicing, and becoming a safe and responsible driver. So stay focused, stay informed, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in